still got me?
Yep. You got it, buddy?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Alright, so winds come and take off. Keeps that wingtip down. There you go. Faster you get, the more level you'll come with the, yeah. There you go. And then when you take off, it's probably going to go right back into the wind. There you go. Good job. There you go. A little bit less. There you go. It's okay. Yeah, the trees are blocking that wind up, I guess. When we get up here, it'll probably be pretty noticeable.
Yeah, there it is.
Yep. Yeah, it was a good takeoff. Oh yeah, we're going to get pushed around a little bit. Speed's good. Okay, a little less power. There you go. Yeah, there's the beat up we were looking for. Yeah. Probably get worse right here in a minute.
Uh-huh.
You're doing good though. Okay, doing good. Just, yeah, regular landing here. A little bit more to the right. There you go. Alright, power off. Catch it. Catch it, catch it, catch it, catch it. Catch it, catch it. Hold back. Oh. That's alright. Just a little bit.
That just felt terrible.
That's alright.
I caught it,
There you go.
and then it just flew on me again.
Yeah. Just a little bit too much back pressure there.
Always. That's always my problem. She don't want to climb.
Yeah, we'll climb it at 80. A little bit, we landed a little further down the runway.
Yeah. Because of that stupid balloon.
It's all good. We're, so yeah, man.
That one felt good. Right there,
Yeah.
still the stupid same thing that's been happening. I just do not understand what I'm doing wrong.
Habersham County Airport. Automated weather observation. 1, 2, 4, 6, Zulu. Weather. Wind. Calm. Visibility. 7.
Do what?
Clear. Low. 1, 2.
Wind calm.
Temperature. 2, 3 Celsius.
That's what it said.
I think their little spinning wheel is broken.
3, 0, 0, 4. Remark.
We'll check it
Density altitude 2,600.
That's so funny. They said calm.
Yeah. Calm my foot.
Ain't no way. Yep, doing great. Alright, let's, no power.
All the way out.
Alright, good. Doing good. Let it come down. Let it come down. Alright. Hold it right there. Hold it. Hold it. Come down a little. Right there. Back a little. Back. Easy. Easy. Not bad, my man. When you get it, you gotta hold it.
Yeah.
Go in. Okay, go ahead. Yeah. So whenever you do touch down, you can't relax. You know what I mean? You still got to have that pressure. You just, I mean, that was a good landing. You touched down. The only thing was whenever we let go of the elevator, yeah, then our tail hit, or our nose hits, it wants to porpoise a little bit. But yeah, next time just hold that back pressure in there. That was good. It's not bad at all. I mean, I didn't touch it. That was you.
So confused, because that did not feel good. Nothing about that felt good.
Well, whatever that is, that one right there, even I know it feels backwards to you, but yeah, try to make that the one that you like. There you go. Alright, doing good. No, it's coming in good. Speed's slowing down where you need it. Alright, now you're getting back at that angle we like. Yep, power off. There you go. Let it come. Little oh, right there, hold it. Hold it. A little more back, a little more right there, hold it, hold it. A little more back, a little more. Good, good! There you go. Now,
That felt right.
That felt right. Seeing something. Now you're getting it.
I put it in golf terms. That was the first one I hit that wasn't a full slice. At least it didn't feel like a full slice.
That was good. That was thank you for pulling back when I asked you to. Every time I said now, you put a little more. I seen it moving.
And I was almost anticipating your now at that point because it almost felt like, okay, so this feels like I should go a little more, a little more.
Exactly. Exactly. Great job.
Like you said, the day it clicks, I'm going to be just stupid excited.
Yeah, you are, man. And I'm going to be for you, too. Hey, let it come down. Just let it come down. Let it come down. Catch it there. Hold it. A little more. Hold it. A little more. Hold it. Hold on. There you go. Hold it. Good. Let's go. It's 2 in a row. It's 2 in a row, my man.
How much are you doing with rudder there?
So, none really. I mean,
I can feel you on there. Yeah. I know it's got to be kind of a safety habit for you.
It is. Well, I'm trying to keep that tail straight too for you.
Yeah.
But you know,
you'll start handing me that one a little bit as we get
off of it. I am. That's right. You get me another good landing, and then I'm off the rudders too.
Yeah, the crosswind day, I probably should keep you on them.
I mean, here it is, crosswind, and you're landing this thing, dude. It's crazy. Right.
Of course, we came in really high this time. Ooh, there she goes.
Yeah. Power's out, right? Yep. Okay. Let it come down. Okay, now catch it. Just hold it. Catch it back. Oh, there you go. All right, get ready. There you go, more. Good. Yep.
That was one of the best feeling ones.
Yep. Nice and easy touch down there. Good job.
Yeah, that one actually felt a little bit smoother than
it did.
Any other. You did help me a little bit there.
Yeah, just a little on that last flare.
Ooh, come on, girl.
That last flare there.
Yeah, I started to pull it back. I was like, man, if I come back too far, it's going to do the same thing it's been doing. But that time, it just slid right in.
Yeah. That's just, I felt that so much. I knew we was about to hit, so I knew we had to come all the way back.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
And I think I knew it too.
Yeah. Yeah, you did, but you wasn't sure if you was going to come back up. Yeah, I know what you mean.
I've had a bad experience.
See, this plane will drop, dude.
It will drop.
Yeah, you're going to be just fine. You're going to be just fine. Alright. You go, let it come down. Let it come down. Alright, catch it. Hold it just a little further. Alright, now start more, right there. Little right rudder, back. Go. Not bad, let's go.
Yeah, that was awful.
See how you let that pressure back though? You gotta keep that back pressure in it.
I don't feel like I let it go though, that's the thing.
Okay.
I don't know if it's just, I'm not feeling that I'm letting it go, but I don't feel like I let it go that time and it didn't do anything.
Okay. Yeah, after the landing's done, every time I've noticed you just relax, the yoke goes in. You'll probably see it on the video.
Yeah, I do specifically look for it. No, such as the camera's so far back, I can't quite see it.
Right, but it does relax. Even when the landing is finished, we've got to train our minds that I still got to fly this thing all the way till it quits.
Yeah.
Because I'm serious, when you let go of that back pressure, that puts more weight on this shock, and then, you're going to get a different reaction all the way around.
Yeah.
We just got to keep that back pressure in there and keep the airplane stable on the ground.
Traffic,
That was, that was good.
Oh, camera died on the way.
What that was. Yep. Oh well.
Yeah. Watch it be the best one, like you said.
Yeah, you want me to film it?
Close the traffic,
No, it's okay. I knew it wasn't gonna make it the full hour. That's why I waited until we.
Well, just about did.
Yeah.
Just about did. Yeah, getting choppy. Let it come down. Okay, hold it right there. Hold it a little more. A little more. Easy. A little more.
That was the one right there.
That was it.
That was the one.
That was it.
That one felt right the whole time.
Yeah, that was it, my man.
Crappy approach and everything, and it still felt good.
Dude, that's what you call a greaser.
What did we say was gonna happen? The
best one.
Stupid camera.
I know it. I mean, just boop, boop, just grease them babies on there. I should have filmed it, man. I mean, you put that last bit of hard rear back, pull back aileron at the right moment. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful landing.
Everything about that one felt better.
Yeah, that was nice.